Hi,
Hello.
what were you doing when the lights went out?
I was watching TV.
Were you studying when the storm began?
No, I was relaxing.
What were you drinking at the party?
I was sipping soda.
Were you playing with your dog?
I was playing.
What were you drawing when I came in?
I was sketching.
Were you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I was waiting.
What were you watching on your laptop?
I was streaming.
Were you swimming when the lifeguard blew the whistle?
No, I was sunbathing.
What were you cooking for dinner?
I was making spaghetti.
What were you talking to your friend about?
We were gossiping.
Were you dancing at the party?
Yes, I was dancing.
What were you eating when you found a hair in your food?
I was munching a sandwich.
Were you shopping for clothes?
No, I wasn't shopping.
What were you playing when your toy broke?
I was playing.
Were you biking when it got dark?
Yes, I was biking.
What were you drinking at the cafe?
I was sipping coffee.
Were you singing along to your?
No, I didn't take a field trip.
What sports did you play on the school field?
I played soccer.
Did you have a mentor at college?
Yes, I had a mentor.
Where did you attend a lecture on history?
I attended it in the lecture hall.
Did you perform in a school play?
No, I didn't perform in a play.
What language did you study at school?
I studied English.
Did you visit the student lounge last week?
Yes, I visited the student lounge.
Where did you meet your professor?
I met my professor in their office.
Did you receive an award at the college ceremony?
No, I didn't receive an award.
What did you draw in your art class?
I drew a beautiful landscape.
Did you volunteer at a school event?
Yes, I volunteered at the event.
Where did you attend a music concert?
I attended it in the auditorium.